Welcome to LaunchPod, the project success platform. After 34 years building commercial software products, I have a confession to make. I have never been part of a project that succeeded as originally planned. Not once. This wasn't failure. This was the system working exactly as designed. And that's the $2 trillion problem. Every project management tool you've ever used, Jira, Asana, Monday.com, is built on Henry Gantt's 1910 factory scheduling chart. We're using industrial assembly line logic to coordinate creative knowledge work. The results? Only 48% of projects succeed, and teams spend 60% of their time on coordination overhead instead of creating value. I've architected LaunchPod, a paradigm shift from command and control project management to federated delivery orchestration. Instead of managing abstract tasks, teams work in WorkPods, collaborative spaces focused on creating specific, tangible deliverables. Every WorkPod contains everything needed for deliverable success. The specific deliverables being created, the team assigned to create them, all communication and collaboration around those deliverables, resources and files needed for completion, and timeline and quality standards for the outcomes. Let me show you how this actually works. This is a WorkPod where real work happens. Every WorkPod contains 7 integrated tabs: Overview, Inputs, Deliverables, Workspace, and AI Shepherd, Negotiations, and Stream. Instead of 75% complete, which means nothing, teams see exactly what deliverables are needed and their acceptance status. When requirements change, and they always do, WorkPods handle it through transparent negotiation protocols. But here's where it gets revolutionary. LaunchPod provides 3 breakthrough visualizations that make project coordination effortless. The project health heat map reveals healthy spots, trouble spots, and danger zones across your entire project in real time. The delivery flow map shows how work flows through time, making dependencies crystal clear. And the orchestration network reveals all input-output flows and bottlenecks across WorkPods. AI Shepherd agents eliminate coordination overhead by handling routine negotiations and dependency management automatically. While AI handles the logistics, humans focus on what they do best, creating exceptional work. The transformation is dramatic. Current reality: 13% strategic planning, 27% productive work, 60% coordination overhead equals exhausted teams and mediocre outcomes. LaunchPod reality: 15% strategic planning, 80% creative work, 5% coordination oversight equals energized teams and exceptional outcomes. Early adopters gain 30 to 50% faster delivery, higher quality outcomes, and competitive advantage. The paradigm shift is happening, with or without you. Ready to experience projects that actually feel successful? Visit launchpod.net or contact us at interest@launchpod.net.